Today I'm doing a really simple meal prep with ground turkey and vegetables. Nothing fancy, just something I can keep in the freezer for the days I don't feel like cooking. I'll show you how I use this later for quick meals so eating at home feels easier.
So basically, yeah, any vegetables that you have, again, this is a kitchen sink recipe. I had peppers, and I bought poblanos for this recipe, but I had bell pepper. I actually bought those for this recipe too, but I had jalapeños and a hot pepper that were going bad, so I threw that in here. So you can use any vegetables you have. It doesn't even have to be peppers. You can use broccoli, cauliflower, anything really to go with ground turkey. This is what I freeze them in. I put them in here as different meals. 2 cups of food you can fit in here. So I'll just pop these in the freezer, and then when I don't feel like cooking during the week, just pop it out and thaw it and do whatever you want. You just want to scoop it in here. Notice I haven't even tasted it to see if I know it's good. Because I put in everything I like. How can it not be good? I'll do check my shorts when I'm making these meals, preparing them during the week. I'll make shorts so you guys can see the different things I did with it. This week, Luna. Wow, look at that. This type of stuff excites me. Look at that, 2 perfect meals. So, just throw this in, thaw it out. Salad, soup, eggs. I'll probably have one of these for breakfast tomorrow, but I'm still gonna freeze it. Just because I know. So first you wanna let it cool down. I forgot the reason why, but you don't wanna put hot food in the freezer right away. So I'm gonna let these cool down. But look at, real quick. Look at that. How cool is that? And that's about it. That's it. That should only take 20 minutes. Organic ground turkey, poblano peppers, hot peppers, onion, garlic, red pepper, orange bell peppers, salt, pepper, seasoning, any seasoning you like, really. Okay, thanks for joining me. I will be on again next Sunday with something different. Maybe we'll do chicken. Chicken might be a good idea. And let me know if you guys tried anything, or if you learned something from this life. Okay.